All right, folks, excuse me, I'm a little sick, but we have a blizzard that is gonna hit us, and we've been doing our testing of our 3D printed PETG Starlink deck mount. So I wanted to do an inspection before we have it go through yet another heavy windstorm and snowstorm to see how it's holding up and if we can predict how it's gonna fail. So let's see. All right, so we are underneath deck mount. I'm not seeing any kind of cracking, which is a great sign. It's around here. There was some warping during printing, so that actually looks what it looked like before. Nothing crazy. And get just a little closer. Not seeing any cracking of any kind. So I think right now we're looking good for our 3D printed Starlink mount, and we're going to see how it holds up through this crazy blizzard where we're going to get 24 inches of snow. So that's the report pre-blizzard, and we're going to see how that holds up. Good luck.